Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. Databow, a Rust CLI to query any database with an ADBC driver. Databow is a new open-source command line tool built in Rust that allows users to query any database with an ADBC driver through a single, unified interface. It supports over 30 databases including PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite, Oracle Database, Microsoft SQL Server, and others, eliminating the need to switch between different database CLIs with varying syntax and output formats. SHRIDHAR KHANAL, SSL in PostgreSQL. SSL encryption in PostgreSQL protects database connections by encrypting data transmitted between applications and the database server. Despite common misconceptions, SSL-enabled connections require proper configuration to ensure actual encryption is taking place. The protocol secures sensitive information including usernames, passwords, queries, and data rows that would otherwise travel in plain text across networks. Even internal networks benefit from SSL implementation to prevent lateral movement attacks and unauthorized data interception, keeping PG-backed Rust open, healthy, and community-driven. Percona and other organizations in the PostgreSQL ecosystem have collaborated to ensure PG-backed Rust remains open, sustainable, and community-driven following concerns about its future. Their efforts focused on continuity rather than fragmentation, involving coordinated funding, engineering contributions, and expanding the maintainer base. A joint initiative across multiple companies and contributors is already yielding results, with PG-backed Rust positioned to return in a stronger and healthier state. Benchmarking SQLite 3.x vs Postgres, Mongo Neo4j, and Redis with fsync. SQLite 3.x was benchmarked against Postgres, MongoDB, Neo4j, and Redis using identical hardware and production-grade durability settings to ensure fair performance comparison. The tests utilized an open-source harness with optimized configurations for each database, focusing on real-world workloads and full fsync support. Results highlight SQLDB's ability to handle multi-workloads with high performance and durability, positioning it competitively against established databases. Detailed findings and methodology are available for further review. Migrate from crunchy data PostgreSQL operator to Percona PostgreSQL operator, standby cluster method. The Percona PostgreSQL operator is a hard fork of the crunchy data PostgreSQL operator, enabling straightforward migration between the two with minimal downtime. The standby cluster method offers the safest migration path for environments with tight downtime budgets, leveraging identical underlying tools and architecture. This approach is part of a 3-part migration series, with the Percona operator maintaining full compatibility through Percona, PG-backed Rust, and PG Bouncer. All migration paths in the series are reversible and designed for Kubernetes environments running PostgreSQL with open-source operators. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed, and I will see you in the next update.